It's just Mother Nature. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. One common thing is, which path should I take? The easy one and the safe one, or the one that is unknown and a little harder? For example, I just decided to film this video and I have one option: to go forward and find a spot that describes what I was saying, or go back to the spot where I was thinking it. Run like extra kilometer and get the perfect spot. Yeah, we're gonna go with the hard one. Always when I'm running from there to there. But there is always this mysterious forest road where I never go. So the harder decision was to go explore this one. The reasons why I like running solo is because it's like hanging out with yourself, but in a different kind of mind environment. You can have really crazy conversations with yourself. Like you will literally self-doubt your motivation. You're like debating, am I this person or am I that person? Should I go faster? And always when you choose the hard option, it's like a little win. I really associate running alone with a video game. You're like this POV, and you will be just looking around, looking at the trees. At the same time you are like at the pilot seat, because you yourself are the pilot. So you will be in a human machine, like controlling the body and also looking out the windows. Long story short, it really reminds me of video games. Also, what I really like about running is that you find these beautiful spots. You didn't even know they existed until you get there. I have found like many fireplaces and little secret beaches. And they're not just a cool spot for this moment, but you can remember the spot, and it will be like an adventure bringing a girl here, that all of you could also find like amazing spots in your area. Being a person who introduces a new spot to someone is a great feeling. Now, one misunderstanding about running is that you have to run from point A to point B as fast as possible, and you're always running. But the reality is that you can journal your ideas down, you can visit some cool spots. For example, I can just sit here and enjoy the view. It's not just about running, it's about hanging out with yourself. What an absolute amazing ending would be when I go swimming right now. I have no swimming wear, I have no towels. I literally could run and jump into this water. I have no idea what's in the water, but that would be an interesting experience. Like, am I gonna go home? Am I gonna run another kilometer? Am I gonna go swimming from the beach? Or am I gonna run and jump in the water? I guess we'll be jumping. About solo running, you can make decisions independently. For example, if I were to run with a friend, this thing that is about to happen probably would not have happened. These are my things. Okay, let's go. I'm not sure if I'm gonna jump though, because I can injure myself, but let's just walk in. Oh my gosh. This is so weird. There are some animals there. Oh my god, it's so weird. Like, I'm gonna film this. Look at that. That's kind of disgusting. But you know what? It's just Mother Nature. It's just plants. Oh my god, it's disgusting. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna end the video with this. You know, go crazy. It smells in here. Go crazy and do stuff that you won't do normally, and choose the hard option if possible. I think all this city's waste is going in there because they really smell.